And this is the idea. I've done this type of dress, like I said, in 2020. If I did not say that, with a fold down like that. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. All right, babe. Sorry for the noise in the background, but this is a new material that I got from AliExpress. It is actually big. It is very, very stretchable, so I can have a comfortable fit. The last material that I had was not stretchable. It was like more cotton fabric, but it was a very cute design fabric. This fabric is definitely worth it. I'm about to go ahead and cut out the prints to this, babes. I'm so excited for Mariah The Scientist HSS tour, also known as Hearts. So separately, 2026 music tour, and I'm so excited, y'all. I will be going back in Houston, Texas. If you have not checked out my last vlog where I was designing something to wear for Mariah The Scientist, please check it out, babes. I will post it in here as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Um, what I just did is just, went ahead and labeled the 1 inch that I normally do. I forgot to do the bottom. I still gotta do the bottom, but all I gotta do is label the 1 inch. Excuse my band-aid, y'all. I had a little boo-boo, but the band-aid don't even want to stay on. But I'll pin it here for the 1 inch to exercise it, and I go ahead and damp it with a light color marker. As y'all can see, I damped a light color gray marker to create dots, and the material is inside out, so I can go ahead and after I get done cutting it, I'm gonna flip it for being inside out or whatever. But I'm just finished detailing this on the outside and cut it out next. Okay, this is the finishing cutout and print and shape exactly how I want it, just like the tube dress. And next, just going to go ahead and get the spaghetti strap print and use it and pin it down on this edge and make me a string to, exactly connect to the dress. So this is where I have the print at in the middle of the material, so I can make sure I, not on the edge of the pattern and where it stopped at. So this is the spaghetti strap pattern that I have printed down, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut from here, this is the first half, but I'm gonna also go all the way down to the bottom and use the rest of that material up or whatever. Just for me to extend the strap that I already got, I'm gonna just add it on and finish cutting the length all the way into the bottom. This is the finished strap, strap detail that I've created, and I doubled it. All I'm gonna do now is just, get started with sewing on a dress and putting it together, and then I will do the straps next. Sorry for the noise, y'all. It's a Super Bowl in the background, but as y'all can see, I kind of already, took that side down because I ran out of thread. I'm using like a whole different thread, but I'm gonna go ahead and just sew the sides down, and I'm gonna, just start there first. I sewed the sides down, which I just did half, so I can make a backless dress. And what I'm gonna do here is unpin these and fold the back and cut it. When I cut it, I'm actually gonna, have it halfway, as you can see, and I'm gonna cut it a little bit above this thread line right here, so I can like have a folding seam or whatever on the top. Cut all of this, and then I'm gonna fold it like how I had it. Fold it and actually create a seam part that I will be adding, to the back. After doing that, I am pinning down the sides and the front, and I'm gonna go ahead and hem those down next. And I think next after that, I'm gonna go ahead and hem down the bottom. Excuse me. After I tie the knots, and because I actually tried this on and it fits so perfect, exactly how I wanted to fit. These are the sides that I just sewn. I kind of knotted that one too tight, so that's why I was looking a little funky, a little scrunched up. But the dress looked just fine. I just tried it on. All, you know, the sides are sewn for the front. And I'm going to just sew the bottom part so I can have a good length of bottom part so it can look even as well. Um, Before I even get started on the bottom part and hemming it, I'm going to cut these sides down so it could be a little short so they won't be sticking out of, you know, me trying to fold the bottom part, you know. Let me show y'all. Like that, you know? But this is how it's looking on my mannequin. Let me take the strings off. This, you know what I gotta add on last. But this is how the dress looking. I got it to fit the mannequin. And this is the idea. I've done this type of dress, like I said, in 2020. If I did not say that, with a fold down like that. And, you know, the back being out just like this. Once again, I got it to fit the mannequin because the mannequin is smaller than me, but the dress actually fits perfect for me. But everything is pretty much sewn. All I have to do is just clean up everything and make it look neat, and go ahead and add the straps that I want to add. And when I do add the straps, I'll be adding the straps regularly on, you know, the triangle part. But first I would just have to, you know, sew the straps down so they can go and be attached to the dress. Sorry for my grandmother being on the phone, y'all, and the dirty floor, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the strings. All I will be doing with this, y'all, turning it inside out and having a camo print inside, but excuse me, y'all, I'm gonna just fold it like this and pin it down, and I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, sew this side and go all the way down to the bottom. Alright, babes, I finished the strings, as you can see, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach them. I had to unravel them, you know, from inside out or whatever, and I'm just gonna, you know, attach them to the fitted dress. I have the pins pinned down on the corner of the dress, you know, so when I, you know, bring it together and tie it up, I will actually have a fold down of the top part of the dress. But let me go ahead and, you know, sew it on and show you babes from there. The dress is finally finished. I got it on my babe Chella, and this is how it is looking with the straps, y'all. Sorry for the lighting if it's a little bit too dark, but this is how everything is looking, and I am, you know, loving it. Of course, I got it pinned back on my mannequin because I am, you know, a little overweight, but a little bit bigger than my mannequin. The back details and how it's exactly looking, I am so in love, y'all. The strings are so cute at it, and I'm gonna just, you know, get ready to wear it to Mariah the Scientist. One more look, y'all, on the mannequin. It looks so cute, and I'm so excited to wear it. I don't know if I wanted to add, you know, any detail or whatnot, but I will be thinking about that along the way, or just, you know, leave it plain. I'm not sure. Okay, y'all, I am looking so crazy. I got on my towel, which is covered in makeup, but I am officially done with my makeup, y'all. I did a simple look. It was some items that I actually forgot to even take, which I'm so mad at myself for it because I didn't pack 2 weeks ahead before and still forgot, like, my lip liner that I normally use. So I'll be having a different style of lips tonight, which I totally hate, but maybe it's, you know, needed. I'm not sure. But y'all, I would have recorded, you know, my whole look, you know what I'm saying, and, you know, makeup step from step. But your girl ain't got that much freaking whatever in her phone, storage. Yeah, I can't even think of it, but storage. So I'm like doing whatever, y'all, but this hotel room is nice. I love it here, y'all, and it's just, you know, a whole vibe. And I'm about to go ahead and do my hair next. So that's what your girl about to do. It is like 4 something. I'm gonna leave around 7 or something like that, because doors don't open until 7, and I won't be having parking until like after 5 p.m. or whatever. So guys, I'm so excited and ready, babes. Like, I just Oh gosh, don't even know how to act. Babes, this is my lovely outfit. I really loved how it turned out. I hate the lighting right here, but I am, in the hotel, y'all. I am loving this hotel. Like I said, it is just, everything. But this is how I'm looking for Mariah the Heart Soul Separately, aka HSS tour. Y'all, this is the final touches of the dress with details and be fully dressed. Y'all, it is just a whole vibe. Like, y'all, like the back details, okay? I'm talking like it's everything. It's very comfy, stretchable, and I love how it turned out with these gloves that I actually got from Amazon. Y'all, let me get a close up. Y'all, I got rings on, my bracelets, necklaces on, cross, because yes, I can't leave Jesus out. Hat that I also got from Amazon, babes, that I really, really love. And, simple makeup that I got going on. I do have earrings on, some rectangular, early 2000s Y2K hoops or whatever, y'all. But I'm really feeling this outfit and look. It really came out better than what I thought. I thought I wasn't going to wear this belt, but it's actually cute with the belt. I definitely am going to show you, babes, other details as well. But I hate that it's actually thunderstorming and, raining outside. Like, whatever, y'all. It's reminding me of her song Rainy Days, y'all, on that album. That's the vibes that it's kind of giving. But yeah, y'all, I am about to really just enjoy myself and take it, a minute at a time and really just absorb everything. It's just literally an hour before, and I'm feeling myself, babes. Like, I'm feeling great. I'm loving that outfit, y'all. Just, it's everything, y'all. Hold on, because I'm gonna definitely show y'all my shoes. But I really love how this outfit turned out. And babes, if you really loved how this please turned out, hit that like button, show your girl some love, leave a comment of the army hat and the pink bow if you agree with this outfit and you think it is so cute. Y'all, this hotel mirror is 10 out of 10. But y'all, these are the boots that I do have on and how the outfit is looking with these. I think these are so cute and they're actually comfy, not too much of crazy. And yeah, Mariah HSS tour is here, and babes, I'm more than ready, all right? Like I really appreciate who watched this vlog because it took me some time on this dress, and I really just did it. I made a backless dress before, which was in 2020, y'all. It was a metallic backless chain dress, but I really do love you, babes, and I really do hope you appreciated this vlog. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah!